No red lights are on. Mixture is rich. Flaps are approach. We're standing by for full flaps and a yaw damp autopilot to go. That airliner in front of me is on the runway. He's past 1,000-foot markers. We're going to have one.
4114, turn right, Kilo 1, contact ground point honor.
Kilo 1 and ground point known as Go West, 4114.
Spare wings 491, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 left, clear for takeoff, turn left heading 190, traffic 3 mile final, Bonanza.
23 left, cleared for takeoff, left turn heading 190, spare wings.
I think it's Romeo Hotel on frequency.
250 at 13, Gus 19er, Bonanza 57 November, caution wait turbulence, Airbus 320 departing.
57 November. All right, George got a little low on the approach. He's catching back up. He better hurry up if he's going to go. All right, here comes full flaps. Well, we ain't gonna land long with this guy in front of us.
Greensboro Tower, 0787, Mike Kilo, holding short, 23 left.
Sure, 787, Mike Kilo, Greensboro Tower, roger.
All right, y'all damps away. 3 green, no red lights are on. Mixture's rich.
Sherwin 491, contact, departure, good day.
Okay, over to departure, Sherwin 491, good day.
Sure, 787, Mike Kilo, runway 23 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 23 left, 7 Mike Kilo.
Bonanza 57 November, turn right, Kilo 3, hold short of Kilo, contact ground point honor.
Kilo 3 will hold short of Kilo over to ground. 57 November. All right, we made it. Lots of wind shifts there on final and in the flare too. Greensboro ground, Bonanza 2357 November off at Kilo 3 and we're going to Corey.
2257 November, Greensboro ground, taxi to Corey via Kilo Alpha, hold short of 32 Kilo.
Kilo Alpha, hold short of 32 on Kilo 2357 November. My goodness, the wind is blowing me around on the ground. Hard to taxi. Anyways, well, thank you for riding along. Be sure to hit that subscribe and the like button. We'll keep them coming.